Hey to all of you. This time I want to demonstrate about basic PowerPoint presentation skill that you will need this skill to do some assignment or project. Alright, so stay tuned, take a look and full attention. Thank you. Okay, this is the one that we are going to do. Number one, this is how to add a new slide. Number two, a slide background. And then number three, how to set slide transition. Number four, how you will insert picture, text, and whatnot. We will start now with a new slide. You do this one, a new presentation, click File, and then New Presentation. And then you will see your screen will be like this. Yeah, this is the new slide. At title here you can write the input, the title, for example, input and output devices. And then don't forget to add the subtitle here. You can click your name and also probably your class. Right. Then we are going to learn about how to add a new slide. Correct? Yeah, the first agenda is a new slide. There are two ways to insert a new slide. First of all, you can click home. Yeah, click home, then you will see a short icon here. There is a shortcut icon called new slide. You can click this and then new slide will be added here. Click here, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I repeat again. I click 1, 2, 3. That's the thing. So 2 slides already added, so become 3. The second way to add a new slide by click this insert and then click new slide. I will try this one. Again, click insert and new slide. I will click now 1, 2, 3. Again, I will try 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there is two ways, yeah. Home, insert, home, new slide, and insert, new slide. Okay, we go back to slide number 1. And after you done this one, with the second skill, we are going to learn about how we number 2, slide background. Okay, let's take a look for the slide background. Slide background here is okay, take a look at this slide background. Currently there are no background in our slide, so we are going to add background. How do we do that? It's quite simple. By click design, then you will see the design means the background, all about background. So you can either click here the right arrow, or you can scroll down here, down arrow, so you will see all the background. Okay, so for this time being, for example, I want to use this kind of background. Like this. Our slide now has background already, all slide background. Okay, that's the thing. So skill number 3, how to add slide transition. How we set slide transition. Okay, it's quite simple. We will make it name slide number 2 here. We can type slide number 2. And here, for example, slide number 3. This is only simple. Okay. Slide transition. How we do this transition? Click transition, and you will see it will show us the sample or template of transition. For example, there is a transition like this, split. You may choose free transition you want. So when it goes before it's show the slide one it has transition, and do same thing for number 2. For example, from bottom to top. For number 3, for this one, slide number 4. For example, this one, slide number 5. For example, we want this okay, so that is slide transition. So when we play our slide later on, we will see, when we play our slideshow, click play from start, we will see the difference. Okay, like this is the transition that we have already set. Okay, so that is slide transition. You are free to choose the kind of simple transition you want. Okay, our next agenda skill is about how to insert picture, text, and word art. How to insert picture, text, and word art. This is the way we do it. Okay, click word art. Okay, for example, the title here, okay, input and output device, we are going to set a word art. Okay, how do we do that? Click insert, and then you will see word art icon here. Okay, click word art. Okay, you can click, and we will see many model. Okay, for example, we want to change this one. We will block the text, and then we click. Then we will change model up to us, and then we will find the word art is here. Okay, this is the word art. If you want to change the word art, you can click any model you want. Make it bigger if you need it. Click this home, and then this is the size number 54. You can click this one also. Okay, this is the word art. Okay, we are going to delete this one. We still use this one. For example, we will use slide number 2 here. For example, we will slide number 2. We are going to insert the word art. Use word art. Click insert and then word art. Okay, so this is the word art. We delete this one. We click the line in the frame. There's a line, so we click any line and then press the delete button from your keyboard. Do the same thing, then you will see this one. That's the thing, for example. Yeah, okay. And then do the same thing, do again for slide number 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I will do it again once more for you. For slide number 3, I block or I delete. I delete this one. I click the frame. I click directly the insert, and then word art. Then I click any model, and then I type here your text here. This is the word art. Yeah, you can type slide number 3. Okay, this is simple. For example, this slide number 3 is mouse, computer mouse. Okay, and slide number 2 here is keyboard. Okay, this. Okay, so we have inputs word art as the title. Yeah, computer mouse and computer keyboard. Okay, so this is how we insert word art. How we add text. Okay, we click here add text. For example, under keyboard. Yeah, if we don't use this one, we can use, actually can click and then we can add text here. Okay, okay, if there's one way. Okay, but if we don't want this, okay, we can click uh, the frame, the line, and delete button. Do again, frame, click the frame delete button, and then we click insert text box, and we click and drag here, keyboard. For example, okay, we may change the format, the size, or the font type here, up to us. Yeah, for example, this one. Okay, we can add or change the size. Okay, and then the last one, this is how we insert a text. Okay, so click insert and then text box. We click again, click here, and we can click anywhere. Okay, there's a thing. Okay, this is the insert text box. And then the last one is how we insert a picture. This is how we insert picture. Still click insert and we have a picture here. And then we can see you will have an option photo browser, picture from file, and online picture. For example, I will click online picture, then it will show us the picture. For example, here we type here keyboard, enter. Okay, if this is the picture from internet online, click here. For example, we choose this one, and then we click insert. And after that, we will see the picture is here already. We just wait a moment because it may take time. If it takes too long, we can click cancel and choose another one. For example, a simple one. Yeah, this is all about the keyboard, right? Okay. So after this, we can resize the keyboard by click the dot here, the R dot here, click diagonal, yeah. Okay, you may click here, like this. Okay, that is a thing. And another way, you can also, if you already download the picture from the internet, you download a picture about keyboard on the internet, and then you click insert picture, and then go to picture from file. Then after that, you have to go to your work, your file. Okay, for example, here I have, let me check, this one, a picture of this, or maybe this one. Click, I repeat, insert picture, then I choose for example this is me. I click insert, then it will show the screen like this. So there are two ways. Okay, there are two ways how you insert a picture. Okay, by click from the insert picture from file or online picture. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you can gain the skill about basic PowerPoint. Okay, I will see you again in other video tutorial. Thank you.